Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change video storage location in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application and we can change the video storage location in CapCut PC before we export our video. So first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created and I'm going to change the video storage location before I export the video. I'm going to go to the export menu right here, and then here we'll be able to change the video storage location. So we can click on this icon and you can choose a folder from your computer you want to save your exported video to. And I'm just going to select a download folder, so all of the exported video will be saved to this folder. And then we can click on select folder, and then I'm going to export my video and wait for a moment. Okay, now the video has been exported and I'm going to go to my file explorer and check the video in this download folder. Okay guys, and this is the video we have just saved. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change video storage location in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.